Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about stock. So let's get started. So before starting this video, I just want to share something with you. So the stocks are the foundation of the cookery, and the one production student, one production kid should know about the stocks in detail. So I'm going to share a video in the upcoming days about something about the stock in detail, and you should have to watch them. And in this video I'm just going to share the basics about the stock, and that's all for the day. So let's get started. So in this video I will share something about the French name of the stock, what are the uses of the stock, the different types of stock you will encounter through in your life, what are the time taken by those stock to prepare. So in the next slide you will see that the stock is a flavorful and nutritious liquid which has been simmered for a long time in order to extract flavors from the ingredients used. So in basic language, if I say, just imagine that in a stock pot, in a pot, you will put different ingredients, different vegetables, some spices, some herbs, and fill it with water and put it on a stove and let it heat for about a considerable amount of time. So all those flavors from those ingredients leach out into the liquid, and that's the reason those stock is used in different places, in sauces, in gravies, in curries, in n number of things. So that's the base of the cookery. In place of water you can use that stock, and that is more flavorful, that is more nutritious, and that is more healthy, and that's to make a base of that dish. So that's the stock which we use in place of water, and that's the definition in front of you. So in the next point, they are the backbone of the Western cookery. So yes, the stock, as I mentioned, are the backbone of the Western cookery, as they are used in n number of things in the base. In French, stock is known as fond de cuisine. So that's the French name for the stock, and stock are always simmered, never boiled. So there's a deep meaning behind why stock are always simmered, never boiled. So the reason is that if we boil the stock, the meat pores, usually the meat that we use in the stock, all the bones, the pores of the meat of the chicken or the meat seals, and the flavor didn't able to leach out into the liquid. As on the high temperature the pores sealed out, and the flavors which we want to extract from those bones will not leaches out into the water. The another reason also, as you can see in these photos, there are something white frothy thing coming at the surface of the liquid, at the surface of the stock. So if we boil the stock becomes more cloudy, and all those frothy thing will get mixed up into stock and makes the stock dirty, makes the stock unhygienic. All those white things we have to skim away, remove it from time to time in regular time interval from the stock to get a pure and clarified stock. So if we boil the stock, all those difficult things come into our way. So the next point, bunch of herbs used to flavor stock is known as bouquet garni. So there are different bunch of herbs used to flavor the stock. For example, bay leaf, peppercorns, etc., like thyme, rosemary. All those things I will going to mention in the further upcoming video, and that's going to the detail about the stock. So in the next point, bag of spices used to spice up the stock is known as sachet de spice. So there is a bag of spice. So there is a muslin cloth bag in which different spices like garlic, cloves, and other small spices of delicate flavor is put it into stock at the limited amount of time. So they also going to leaches out their flavors into the liquid, and that liquid becomes more flavorful. So that bag of spice is known as sachet de spice. In the next slide, we are going to discuss about different preparations in which the stock is used. So these are sauces, soups, curries, gravies, stews, etc. So if we talk something about stew, what are stew? So that's the word mentioned over here. So stews are basically those dishes in which the liquid and solid ingredients are served together. So if you like eating at your homes, for example, aloo matar tari wali sabzi, so that's a dish in which the potato, the different ingredients are also in that water, in that liquidy thing, and that is served again with the dish. So that is known as stew, or something in which solid and the liquidy ingredient served together, and the solid ingredient is cooked in that liquid ingredient, in that liquid thing. So further we are going to talk something about classification of stock. So the stock is basically classified into two types. So that is the white stock and the brown stock. So white stock is basically the stock that we put all the bones, all the ingredients, all the herbs, all the vegetables, and put that into the stock and keep into the boil for a considerable amount of time. But if we talk something about brown stock, so in the brown stock, first we have to caramelize the bones in the ovens so that the caramel flavors, the brown flavor come out of the bones, and the vegetables are also caramelized. And then those all things put into the stock pot, and all the water and other things are added. So that stock which we get at a result is known as the brown stock. Coming further, the types of stock and taken time by them are, so different types of stock and different time duration taken by those stocks are mentioned. So the first is fish stock, then the second is chicken stock, beef stock, and vegetable stock. So the time duration you should keep on fire for the chicken stock is 3 to 4 hours. For the fish stock, it's just 15 minutes. In just 15 minutes, the fish stock will be ready. Make sure you will calculate the time at the time in which the water starts simmer. It's not the time from which you dip all the meat bones or all the vegetables into the stock pot with the water and put on the flame. No. After putting on the flame, when the stock gets on simmer, then this time starts, and 15 minutes is the time taken for the fish stock to get prepared. And as fish stocks are very delicate, they have very delicate bones and meat. So if we simmer more duration of time for the fish stock, those bones get delicate and they also can mix up in the stock, or they can get crack and mix in the stock and leave their flavor, and small bits of bones can also be. So that's why the fish stock is considerably simmered for about 15 minutes. And then the chicken stock, which is simmered for 3 to 4 hours. The beef stock, which is simmered almost for 6 to 8 hours. And the vegetable stock is simmered for 45 minutes. So that's all for the day, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.